I want the regions of the cerebrum. So temporal or parietal region, temporal region, frontal region, occipital region. Okay. This is the longitudinal fissure. And I can't show this to you anywhere but on the model because the sheep brain doesn't have a really good representation of it. But if I ask for this specific structure, I'm not looking for the parietal lobe. I'm looking for that central sulcus. Pre-central gyrus, post-central gyrus. Okay. Lateral sulcus, transverse fissure. And then if you saw this, if I were able to take this and pry this open, what do you see inside?
Superior, inferior,
colliculus, which is part of the corpora quadrigemina. You like to learn the hard part.
How do you pronounce that again?
Corpora quadrigemina, or superior and inferior colliculus.
Okay.
Yes.
It's hard to spell
Just
when
say
you can't
yes.
even like say it.
That's why I make you guys spell it. Because that way you have to learn how to say it. All right, so then when you open this up, you have the corpus callosum, the lateral ventricle, and I'll ask for the hole. Then if I ask for the hole on top of the thalamus, that's the third ventricle, and that's usually the one that has the pink thing in it, which is what? Choroid plexus, which is, so I could ask that too. What part of the brain makes cerebral spinal fluid? You could say choroid plexus or ependymal cells, which are the types of cells that are in there. Either one would be right. All right, but if I ask for the whole, I'm asking for a ventricle. So I have lateral ventricle, third ventricle with the choroid plexus in it, and then this little dot is surrounded by the thalamus. Underneath is the hypothalamus. This tiny little spot right here is the infundibulum, and then the pituitary should be right here. Okay.
How would you ask for the pituitary?
I'd have to put it in there.
Like
I'd have to actually put them in there.
Okay.
There's an attachment. He just keeps falling off. Right. All right. Yeah. Then this part here, if I ask for this region, cerebellum, if I ask for this specific arbor vitae or vitae, and then the base of the arbor vitae is the fourth ventricle.
Fourth ventricle.
Okay, so again, hole or structure, this is the cerebral aqueduct. Okay, cerebral aqueduct. Then for the brainstem, you always look for the pons first, look for the big belly. If I go above it, midbrain. If I go below it, medulla oblongata. If you give me the pyramids, that's fine too. All right, and then this guy right here is what? Mammillary body. And this guy in front of where the pituitary would be? Pineal's way over here. That's the optic chiasm. If you go through here like that, there's your little mammillary bodies. Your pituitary should be sitting right here. And then there's your optic chiasm with your optic nerve, olfactory nerve, olfactory bulb. What's this? Pons. Again, medulla, midbrain. Okay. And then, sorry.
That's okay.
Then you have the superior and the inferior colliculus of the corpora quadrigemina. Too many words. And then here's your pineal gland. It's at the back of the corpus callosum.
What number is that?
13.